If you want to enjoy the freedom of an electric bike without spending a fortune, the best budget-friendly options are a great place to start. But affordability isn't everything. They also need to deliver comfort, smooth adjustability, long battery life, and solid uphill performance. That's why we tested them to find the top picks that offer the best value. Many high-end e-bikes can cost thousands of dollars, so starting with a more affordable model is a smart way to ease into the experience. In this video, we'll explore the best cheap e-bikes of 2025, packed with advanced features and impressive range. Get ready to upgrade your ride without overspending. Let's check out the top contenders. Number 5. Juiced Rip Racer. The Juiced Rip Racer delivers an unbeatable combination of fun, power, and affordability. This off-road e-bike is designed to take you almost anywhere without breaking the bank. With a sturdy 40.3-inch wheelbase and 20-inch fat tires, it's built for trails and unpaved surfaces. While it doesn't have shock absorbers, the excitement of the ride more than makes up for it. Packed with serious speed and punchy acceleration, the Rip Racer effortlessly powers up hills thanks to its impressive low-end torque. Since it uses a cadence sensor instead of a torque sensor, the pedal assist kicks in after a rotation or two, just like many top-budget e-bikes. Its BMX-style frame makes it smaller than standard mountain e-bikes, giving you better control in tight spaces. Plus, the built-in race mode boosts power, helping you climb steep inclines and reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour. Just keep in mind that higher speeds will drain the battery faster. Juiced claims the battery lasts up to 55 miles, and with careful riding, that's possible. But even when we pushed it to the limit on high speeds and steep Vermont mountain trails, we still got an impressive 40 miles per charge. If you're looking for a thrilling ride with great value, the Rip Racer won't disappoint. Number 4. e-Trenz Fly. If you're looking for an affordable folding e-bike, the e-Trenz Fly is a fantastic choice. In the UK, it typically sells for around £699, but during sales, you might find it as low as £449. In the US, that's about $550, and in Australia, around $900. The ride is smooth and comfortable, with a throttle you can control effortlessly with your thumb. It even has a pushing mode, which gives you battery assistance when you need to walk it along the sidewalk. Its design is a bit different from other models, and it uses V-brakes instead of disc brakes. While V-brakes don't offer as much stopping power, our reviewer had no issues during testing. However, it is on the heavier side, so if you need to carry it onto trains or upstairs frequently, that's something to consider. Despite that, it remains a solid budget-friendly option for commuters who need a reliable folding e-bike. Number 3. Ride 1-Up Turries. The Ride 1-Up Turries proves you don't need an expensive or high-end e-bike to get great performance. With its powerful 750W motor, this bike delivers impressive performance in most situations. The motor kicks in quickly when you start pedaling, though there's a slight delay when using just the throttle. The Turries also stands out with its stylish design, reliable mechanical disc brakes, and easy-to-read digital display. It comes with a bright 60 lux headlight, front and rear fenders, an adjustable kickstand, and wide 27.5 x 2.4-inch tires for a smooth ride. However, there's no built-in taillight, so consider adding one for better visibility. Since it's more affordable than premium e-bikes, some assembly is required. You'll need to attach the handlebars, front wheel, and pedals, and possibly adjust the fenders. A quick visit to your local bike shop might help. While the front suspension fork feels unnecessary for city rides, the Turries is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly electric bike for daily commuting. Number 2. Ngui Engine X. The Ngui Engine X stands out with its powerful 13-ampere battery, delivering an impressive 120-kilometer range under ideal conditions. While this maximum range is achievable only at the lowest pedal assist level, it still offers more than enough power for daily commutes or scenic countryside rides. With a reasonable 5-hour charging time, you can quickly get back on the road. Its bold, brutalist design may not appeal to everyone, but it certainly grabs attention. The sturdy 20x4-inch wheels ensure a smooth ride, effortlessly absorbing bumps on rough terrain. Despite its large size, the Engine X is foldable, though it's not a bike you'll be folding every day. It's more suited for occasional travel, like road trips or off-road adventures, rather than daily urban use. If you're looking for a budget-friendly e-bike with outstanding range, the Engine X is hard to beat. While sleeker folding options like the Brompton or a Starley E20.7 exist, they come with a higher price tag. Number 1. Tenways CGO600 Pro. The Tenways CGO600 Pro stands out as a top choice in multiple categories, but what truly sets it apart is the incredible riding experience. Thanks to its magnetic torque sensor and carbon belt drive, every ride feels smooth and effortless. There's no delay between pedaling and the motor kicking in, so you never have to wonder if it's working. The carbon belt drive is a game changer, offering a durable and low-maintenance alternative to traditional chains, perfect for commuters who want to avoid grease and mess. With a sleek design, the battery is fully hidden inside the frame, and all cables are neatly concealed, making it almost impossible to tell it's an e-bike. The 36V10 or lithium-ion battery with LG cells delivers an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers, ensuring you have enough power for your daily commute. While some high-end e-bikes offer longer ranges, the CGO600 Pro provides more than enough for city riders. Its comfortable ride, efficient performance, and slim tires make it the perfect choice for commuting to work and back with ease. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you find the perfect budget-friendly electric bike. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest video. Ride safe and see you in the next one.